Did you know that you can actually make money in real estate while you're working out? I'm at the gym right now and I'm going to show you how to find good deals from wholesalers on Facebook, and I'm going to show you while I'm working out. By the way, if you believe in it, then fight for it. First of all, it's important for you to realize that on Facebook is where active local investors in any market, where they hang out, where they network, where they share deals, where they post deals. And so you need to get active on these groups and on these pages. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're new, make more money in less time so that you can live your dream life by subscribing to this channel. Click the bell icon to get notified of new videos as they're released. Okay, step number one is once you log into Facebook, you can do this right on your phone. Go up to the search bar, and what you want to do is you want to put your metro market, so Atlanta, Baltimore, Detroit, whatever your metro market is where you're looking for deals, put that in. So let's say Baltimore, and then put in real estate. So Baltimore real estate, then hit search. Now, once you hit search, what it's gonna do is it's just below the search bar is it's gonna give you the different places within Facebook that you can search. So it'll have posts, places, pages, and so on. Scroll over to the one that says groups. So now you're specifically searching Baltimore real estate groups. And what it's going to do is it's going to give you a list of all of the Baltimore real estate groups. Now this is really important because you're looking for groups of people that are hanging out. And once we're inside the groups search feature, now what we can do is we can look for specific real estate investing groups. So for example, if I do this in Phoenix and I put in Phoenix real estate, I scroll over and I click groups, then you can see here it shows me like dozens of Phoenix real estate groups, and there's different titles here with investor in there, wholesale. So all of these are groups. Some of these are pretty big here where they have thousands of members, so it's an active group. Some of them are a little smaller. But I want to go now, once I've identified the different groups and I can see which ones are investor groups, then the next thing that I want to do is I want to join these groups. So just click the join. Some of them have a questionnaire, so they're going to ask me some questions. Fill that out. It's just the way the group administrators are trying to understand who you are and profile you. And once you're in these different groups, now you can see the posts that are going on and the activity that's going on. I'm curious to know how many investor groups that you found on Facebook. So leave a comment below and let me know how many different investor groups you were able to find on Facebook. Don't forget to stretch out before you lift weights. Now, once you've identified and you've joined these different local groups on Facebook, now it's time to start posting. Let the group know what you're looking for. And you want to do something to kind of grab their attention. So I'll say I have cash burning a hole in my pocket, looking for a good fix and flip deal. And then what I like to do is I like to tell them what my minimum ARV is, because I like kind of higher end deals. So then I'll put minimum 300,000 ARV. And that's just letting the group know, don't bring me low end junk. I'm not really interested in that. I want stuff that's kind of higher end. Now be sure to stick around to the end of this video where I'm going to share with you how to use the same strategy to also actually wholesale your deals. Go onto these groups and post. I copy and paste and put cash burning a hole in my pocket, looking for a good fix and flip deal, minimum ARV 300,000, and that's it. I'll just put that post and then I'll wait and see what happens. And if you go through all the different groups, a couple dozen different groups, you'll catch the attention of all of those investors. A lot of them are wholesalers, and it's a really fast, really quick way to find wholesalers, local active in your market, and to find some great deals. Tip number 3, don't just post what you're looking for, but actually get active on these groups. Try to go in there and comment and share and like and talk with other investors that are in there, because the more that you can participate in these groups, then the more the group will get to know who you are and the more networking that you'll be able to do right here on these groups. Now, this is important if you're looking to actually wholesale deals on these same groups. So not only can you find good deals from wholesalers, but those of you that are actually wholesalers and you're looking for cash buyers, you can actually go on these groups and find cash buyers as well. What I advise you not to do is go on these pages and say, hey, looking for cash buyers, message me if you're a cash buyer. That's not a good way to do that. Rather, participate, get active, let the community and the group know who you are, and then when you actually have a deal, you can post your deal on there and say, hey, got a great deal. Here's some information about it. If you're interested, let me know. And you can actually then wholesale your deals right on these same groups. Now make sure that you follow the rules of the group and you're allowed to post your deals on there. But assuming that you are, this is another place. All of these investor groups that you're finding will also work well for wholesaling your deals. If you're looking to make more money in less time so that you can live your dream life, have everything that you want to be, do, have, and give in your life, subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon. Boy, that was a great workout. Now, I couldn't imagine running my real estate business and having 8 kids and working out and doing all the different things that I want to do in my life without a really good deal management tool that could help me streamline and organize all the different moving parts of flipping houses. And that's why I developed Flipster. Now, you owe it to yourself to check it out. It does everything for you, A to Z, to run your entire house flipping business. Just go to getflipster.com, check it out, and see if it's right for you. Click on the next video to learn 5 tips for finding cheap houses anywhere, and I'll see you on the next video.